Let's solve this question. Very simple. Rearrange 5y is equals to 15x minus 10 into y is equals to mx plus c. So what we are meant to do, mathematically, we write solution and then we write 5y is equals to 15x minus 10. So what we need to do, we want to make this y to stand alone. So we are going to remove this 5. And the best way to remove it is to divide both sides by 5. Divide this also by 5. So that this will cancel this. So our y will now be equals to I can see 15x over 5 minus 10 over 5. So what we are going to do, y is equals to 5 here, 1, 5 in 15 is 3. So this will be 3x. 5 here, 1, 5 in 10 in minus 10 is minus 2. So this is the answer. Stop wasting time.